So this YouTube stuff, I've been watching a lot of videos lately. I've been getting a lot of motivation to do this YouTube. I really want to do this YouTube. I want to do it. I want to try. I want to do this thing, and I want to work towards doing this YouTube stuff. Like, I know it's not easy. I've been watching a lot of videos. I've been watching a lot of videos. Like, I could do this. All I need is time. All I need is this. All I need is that. So I want to give myself a challenge. I really want to give myself a challenge. Like, I want to be posting consistently for a particular amount of time to see what I can achieve and to see if I can achieve this. You get me? So I was like, okay, should I do like this like in 3 months, or maybe in this time, or in this week? I should actually do so. My plan, the challenge I want to give myself, like in the next 3 months, I want to be dropping a video every week, at least minimum a video every week, to see how far I could push myself, because I'm the one that's going to be videoing myself. I'm going to be editing it. I'm going to be coming up with a lot of ideas. So at least the minimum a video a week is what I want to push myself to, and see what I can do with this YouTube channel. Like, I know that this YouTube, I've been lazy. I've been doing things anyhow, anywhere. Every day I'll be like, oh, let me go and shoot videos, and okay, I'll edit things, or I'll later not drop the video. And again, I really had a lot of videos before. I had like 20 videos that I've done and edited. Then I lost my phone. Like, my phone goes stolen for me. So that really hits me a lot, because I settled down. It's like a whole month to record a lot of videos. Then I need another month to edit all the videos, and all of a sudden they stole my phone, and I'm like, I didn't have time to upload and stuff like that. So I really want to work on I don't want to do an excuse. Nothing's going to push me down. I really want to do this, and yes, that is the challenge I want to give myself. A minimum of a video every week for the next 3 months. Let's see if I could do this shit.